Pithy describes speech or writing that is brief but full of meaning. It gets straight to the point, often in a way that's impactful and memorable. Imagine someone delivering a sharp observation, joke, or insight in just few words. That's pithy.
Let's just reverse those two sentences and it's there. It's to the point.
Pithy.
Yes, pithy.
It's to the point, it's pithy. If something is concise, something is to the point, it's pithy. Think of pithy in terms of its synonyms: sententious, terse, succinct, laconic. Pithy is generally used as an adjective. It is the most common form. The noun form is pithiness, while pithily is the adverb. Let's have some examples here. She was known for her pithy comments during meetings, which often brought clarity to complex issues. The critic's pithy review captured the essence of the movie in just few words. In these two examples, we have used the word as an adjective. Next, we move on to the noun form, pithiness. The pithiness of her remarks made them memorable to all who heard them. The speech was notable for its pithiness, each sentence packed with information. Next, we move on to the adverb, pithily. The reviewer pithily condemned the film, calling it a spectacular waste of potential. To summarize, pithy refers to a speech or writing that is brief yet full of meaning, delivering ideas concisely and powerfully. It combines brevity with depth. The word pithy is primarily used as an adjective. Its noun form is pithiness, and pithily is the adverb.